What if I told you that nearly 3 out of 4 seniors are wasting their time with the wrong kind of exercise? I know that sounds shocking, but research proves it. Walking alone doesn't train the systems that truly keep you independent: balance, reaction time, and core stability. And here's the scary part. Once those fade, the risk of falls or losing the ability to climb stairs skyrockets. Quick check. If I asked you to climb 10 stairs right now, would you feel fully confident? Type yes or no in the comments, and tell me your age and where you're watching from. I read every single reply. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'll share 5 surgeon-approved moves that outperform walking for seniors. They take just 20 minutes, 3 times a week. And number 5 on this list? It's the easiest to start, yet the most powerful for your brain and body. So don't miss it. Before we dive in, let me share a quick story. Margaret from Chicago, 72, was walking every day but still needed help standing from her chair. She told me it was embarrassing. After 8 weeks of these exact moves, she walked into my office without her cane and said, "For the first time in years, I feel like myself again." That's the kind of change you can expect too. Number 1. Wall push-ups with hold. We start with your upper body because pushing strength is often the first thing seniors lose. Without it, opening jars, getting up from a counter, or steadying yourself after a stumble all get harder. This fixes that. Just stand an arm's length from a wall, lean in slowly, pause for 3 seconds, and push back out. Start with 5 to 10 reps. The pause is the secret. It forces your muscles to work harder, building real strength you'll use every single day. Number 2. Seated leg lifts with resistance. Next, let's fire up the muscles that keep you steady on stairs and stop that wobbly feeling. Doctors call walking speed the 6th vital sign because it predicts how long you'll stay independent. Sit tall on a sturdy chair, lift one leg straight out, hold for 2 seconds, and lower slowly. Switch sides. Do 8 to 12 per leg. Too easy? Add ankle weights or a band. Every lift tells your legs, "I'm not slowing down yet." If you're finding this helpful so far, tap the like button so more seniors can discover it. And make sure you're subscribed because we share practical health solutions like this every single week. Now, let's move on to exercise number 3. Number 3, standing heel, raises with balance. Your calves do more than help you walk. They act like a second heart, pumping blood back to your brain. Weak calves mean swelling, slower reflexes, and a higher chance of falling. To strengthen them, hold a chair lightly, rise on your toes, pause 3 seconds, and lower slowly. Do 10 to 20. When ready, hover your fingertips or try one leg at a time. This single move can mean the difference between catching yourself or hitting the floor. Number 4. Modified chair squats. Now for the powerhouse. Being able to sit and stand without help is one of the strongest predictors of independence. Lose it, and life shrinks. Train it, and you build power while actually reducing knee pain. Stand in front of a chair, feet hip width. Push your hips back, lower until you just touch the seat, then drive up through your heels. 5 to 12 reps is plenty. Every squat is like practicing freedom, training your body to stay on its own terms. Number 5. Bird dog hold progression. And here's the king of them all. This one improves balance, strengthens your core, sharpens memory, and even triggers longevity pathways that keep your cells acting younger. On hands and knees, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Hold for 5 slow breaths, then switch sides. Do 3 holds each side. Want more? Add small pulses or try closing your eyes for 2 breaths. Harvard researchers found this simple move lowered fall risk, boosted memory, and even improved bone health. It's like hitting reset on your brain and body together. And here's something important. Exercise is just one piece of the puzzle. The other piece? Everyday health fixes most people never hear about. Like how to finally sleep through the night without constant bathroom trips, the simple foods that rebuild energy in just hours, and the habits that protect your memory well past 70. We cover all of this right here on this channel, so don't go anywhere. Because the next video you watch might solve the problem that's been holding you back for years. Now let's stack today's 5 moves into one easy routine. Do 8 wall push-ups, 10 leg lifts per side, 15 heel raises, 8 chair squats, and 3 bird dog holds. Rest when you need to, repeat it twice, and you're done. That's 20 minutes, 3 days a week. Research shows seniors who followed this style of workout got stronger, steadier, and more confident in half the time of those who only walked. So let me ask you, which exercise felt the most challenging? Push-ups, leg lifts, heel raises, squats, or bird dog? Comment the number below. And if you're ready to try this for the next 7 days, type "I'm in." Your answer might inspire someone your age who's watching right now.